Hi everyone, today we'll be doing everything in one video. People bear, people bear. Yeah, so let's get on with the art. People bear. So I recommend you now subbing to this cool guy called The Real Eternal Zoroark. Or the eternal Zoro. Or you should say, and then there's the real eternal Zoroark. So yeah, he's like, he has an obsession with the color. Sorry to tell that. Oh look! You're getting hearts from him, which is nice. Anyways, I'll stop obsessing over him.
Neutral. True neutral. Chaotic neutral. Lawful evil. Neutral evil. Chaotic evil. Friendly. Father. Kind. Normal rapper. Joker. Strict.
What is
Scary.
big plus? What's that?
It's a rank made by Technoblade.
Oh, okay, so guys, does anyone feel bad for Technoblade getting cancer? Like, people are making weird hate videos about him. Like, seriously, stop. Cancer is a very serious thing that you shouldn't make fun of. That might happen to you one day. Will you make fun of yourself? No, right? So then mind your own business. Don't make fun of this guy. Because he's just a guy who likes stuff and is mean, which I like. JK, he's not mean. He's not mean. He's nice. He's not mean. He's nice. I'll write it on the screen if you're deaf. Here's the proof. If there's so much background music behind me, that he's a cool guy. Yes, he is nice. So we basically do an abyss here. After doing that abyss, we're gonna move this, and we're gonna make this really thin, like your stomach. Oh, he made a new video, but I can't see it since I'm recording. It sucks to be me. It sucks to be me that I can't see some of the videos because I'm recording those times. It was a wrong time to record, to be honest. You can also react, but I have to ask the owner's permission, which I don't really do. Cats. I'm a kitty cat. I'm a kitty cat. depressingly continues. Let's just not ignore his videos. Because I'm really bored and I want to watch something. I'll just watch this. Yeah, he deserves 40 subscribers. Damn. Okay, I'll just go. Okay, anyways guys, let's go on with the video. I will now recommend you to subscribe to people every day in my video because I changed that. Person you should subscribe the day goes to this person called the real Eternal Zoroark. Eternal Zoroark. These stuff are like not inappropriate. They're all censored. I'm gonna just censor it. We just have to censor them. Dumbies. Sorry, I didn't meant to call you dumbies. Just meant to say that. I didn't meant to say that. Yeah. Now we've got to do something. Just I'll sacrifice myself to do this. Should I erase off the censor? Guys, do you think this is inappropriate? Because I don't have any cause to think that is inappropriate. No, wait, it's not having clothes yet. So yeah, the cause to be inappropriate. If I send it on YouTube, I'll be cancelled for good reasons. So we've done it. Right there? Well, I hope my drawings don't suck, because they do. Instead, we'll make the head different now. Instead of making it be big, it could be a little bit small because the length though. It was meant to be this. I hope it could become like this. But then how can we re-add it? We are not gonna do the boobs until we do this thingy. Okay, we might add the boobs any second. Boingies. Or you call boingies. You just now added the boobs. Don't worry, it's not like fully a boob yet. Get me? I'll tell you a person you should subscribe to every day. I just made a new rule. sorry for like making this, and sorry if this offend you. If you don't want to subscribe to more people, it's okay. It's okay. You still can subscribe. Only some of them might subscribe to those guys, because he has sadly autism. No. I wasn't meant to say that. It's supposed to be private. My script has ended. JK. I'm really bad at making stars, so don't mind it. Oh my god. I get hearts from Eternal Zero Arc. Should we sign in to done? Damn, I hate this. We have to do the stuff. The stuff. Oh damn, I don't know this guy. Oh, it's Hint. Oh god. Can't escape it. Should we log into Ibis? So we can't. खिड़की open नहीं है. खिड़की open नहीं है. Go check in the guest room. Guest room भी check किया. यहाँ पर भी check किया. यहाँ पर भी check किया. Then go check this one. My art sucks. I will pin any of your comments if you like anything. I'll pin your comment to see if you're good at trying. You can give me any tips down there. I'll pin it. And I'll also heart it because I now don't heart stuff. You can get a chance now. still give me drawing tips even though my drawing is getting better. Because I really want to learn more of drawing. No boobies today. No boobies. No big booba. No more big booba. No more big booba. Just did a meme, and I hope it doesn't offend you. Can we make this our new OC? Guys, should I? Comment yes or no, but you can still comment as tips. You can also comment a yes or no if the person doesn't know any tips. Damn, this look good. Doesn't like, I don't like that look. Maybe just add this or this. Yeah, it works. This is a leaf. This is a leaf fairy. Comment down below if you like it. Let's remove the background. Let's go remove it. Perfect. Let's go with the first layer and erase some stuff. Keep it on clipping. Guys, we can't keep it on clipping since it already has color. Let's erase some of these. It was better to use clipping because clipping can erase off like better without you getting any like problems. But it's fully colored, right? I wish you could get something that could alert. I'm really not good at making hands, so sorry. Please comment down below your art sucks, and you can still vote and still give me tip. I really like comments that say my art sucks, because it does suck obviously, but if you were in the right place where I'd probably be a little bit proud of my fans, and I'll give you a la heart and probably like friend you in any social media. Alright, and I can get a chance to pin you if you give tips with it. But I'll still heart the ones that are negative. After that, we go add some color like grayish to your skin. Do you know the new mod that just now dropped in? It's called Versus Hacker. Yeah, baby, Hacker go, and he gonna be hissing until my auntie gonna kick her out. Yes, so we have to do this. I know it looks ugly, but it's for good. Right, we're gonna make it transparent. After that, we'll we keep this on clipping and then keep a skin color. Any skin color. It's just Get finally like color over. Just as lights up. You know, like Kaido. Do you know any parts of Kaido Shun in Psychic? Comment it down below. You can comment. You can still comment this stuff I suggested you to, and I'm telling you to comment constantly on my videos because I really need content. I'm an alone man, an alone person in this life, and I never can ever like make friends. These except some that are really nice. I can't tell you who. You need to wait till end. Or probably never. You never have to wait for it. Because it will never come. It's going like a rock and roll. Rock and roll, rock and roll, roll. Rock and roll. Yeah, we go like that, baby. The coloring the skin. Drip. You can also give it a type of coloring. Shading, because I like to shade. We're done with this. Guys, we're gonna do this. Guys, we are gonna go this right. Got some milk. Got some milky from the cows. There. First of all, we gotta do this to it. Just so we gotta like do this too. Kari chobi chobi pato komi mommy pipi bo ba 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 pipi show ba ba ba. Sorry, we're making weird noise. Feel like I'm a little slow. Guess I better rush my mouth out. Gotta actually slow. I gotta rush my mouth out. So guess I better rush my mouth out. Who is soap your favorite song? Raise your heads up IRL. Like the song stuff. You could sing it every day. I was a fan though. There's a bit of wash. Girl, there we got to do this. Wake up, cause it's time to go peaceful. But first, I just watched the tutorial. Okay, we can keep any shade. We go nowhere, and we reach the block. Right, we gotta clear this up. Smoothly do this. Slowly go to an go to a layer. And I recommend you to use the yellowish. I got this from a tutorial. I don't want anyone being mad at me, so that's it. Guys, I'm really sick. that eagle or you could use a shading star. I thought it did like a pink princess instead. guys.